So right now we're using the Layrite Grooming Spray. It's perfect because it's kind of like a primer for the pomade. It's like a light hold and it gets it ready for the blow drying. He gets a slick back. The product I'm going to be using today before the grooming spray will be the Super Hold, which is pretty much good for thicker hair and curly hair. And this is the perfect prep for this slick back. So with the Super Hold, it's meant for thicker hair and curly hair, and it holds it, and it kind of makes it even more straight too. So if you're looking for a stronger hold, I highly recommend the Super Hold. Honestly, you only need a knuckle full right here to the first line. Knuckle full like that. Put it on your palm. Make sure you shake it up a little bit. Make sure it's not clumpy. And then we're just gonna apply it to the hair. We're gonna run your fingers through the hair. I like to go from the front first to achieve that pomp look. Then I kind of go from the side like that to comb back the sides, and then towards the center to the back here. And as you see, using the Layrite spray, I already kind of shaped it. So once you apply the product, it's pretty much the finisher, you know? Get the sides nice slick back here, the front right here. And this product is pretty much, it's gonna hold all day. And if you wanted to hold all day, then apply a little bit of hairspray.